Yo, it's your boy Will. I'm back in the view, and today Will close with Will for 7 minutes. Listen again, man. Let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go. My gorgeous face. You feel me? Many people wish they had this face, man. You feel me? Guns. You know what I'm saying? Not no little arms. What the heck? Let me down so y'all can see me. My gorgeous face, man. My beautiful afro, you know. Get that. My nice watch. Earrings, man. Yes. Feel me? People trying to tear me down just from foreign clothes and towels. I know exactly what I'm doing. You can't tell me down. If I know the obvious. I know the obvious. You can't tell me down for what I'm doing and what I'm recording. You can't. I don't want to make the video, not you. Why you sitting on the couch or in your bed watching me making progress and what I really want to do in my life? We ain't the same, bro. We ain't the same, bud. We ain't the same. You living the life that somebody else choose. We're not the same. I will, until I die, bro, I will embrace all the hate that I be receiving, bro. It be from the old people that used to mess with. I don't care about anything, bro. I'm too spiritual. I meditate. I take cold showers. I work out. You can't make me mad. Come on now, you can't. I'm too calm. I know the cheats to this. Like literally. I take cold showers, bro. Everybody don't take cold showers at all. They don't take cold showers, they don't work out, they don't meditate, they don't do none of that. You can't tell me down. I'm too chill. God got me. He got me, man. No matter how hard life can get, you know, I'm still gonna face whatever comes my way and embrace it all. A lot of people can't cope with that. I can cope with that though. I can cope with the stress, bro. Simple. Many people probably like ways that they probably cope with stress is smoking weed, having sex with random people, drinking a lot of alcohol. Nah. And I'm not tearing nobody down. It's just the truth. I ain't nobody to judge us, but still, man. But a lot of people trying to tell me down for being a content creator, though. I'm gonna keep being cringe. I'm gonna keep being cringe, bro. Cause I know the other side is better. It's better than this side. Can't go on from this side to this side without changing. No changes in your life. You can't. That's just the truth. The only way to become successful in this world is by being cringe in everybody else's eyes. And I will take that risk. I will take that sacrifice to my best ability. But that's all. We got like 59 seconds. 59 seconds. Like I know exactly what I'm doing in my videos. I don't know who posts them. You can't make me feel bad about myself, cause I'm the man who posts the videos. You can't get on me for folding clothes and towels, bro. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with washing dishes? Me, you don't be cleaning up on a daily basis at all. No, y'all don't. Don't be cleaning up for real. You don't. Do you even take the garbage out? Do you cut the line? Do you cut the line? Do you cut the line? Do you take your dog out? Do you feed your dog? You probably do those right there. But you probably don't cut the line. You don't cut your mama's line. I'm just saying.